boy Casty. I'm back with another video, man. You know, yo, it's been a minute, guys. Y'all niggas need to subscribe, bro. What's up, man? You feel me? No, today I got some little ass shit for y'all niggas, bro. You feel me? Look, we about to play some Uno. You feel me? I got some couple of people over here. You feel me? If they win, they got some good prize for them, bro. You feel me? I'm the manager, bro. You feel me? You see my shit? Oh, you think you can win?
That's my shit.
Really? Okay, sit over there. Y'all sure y'all know how to play this?
Y'all, of course we do. Flipping through channels, collecting cards. Ancient puzzle, it's a bit hard. It's spooky here, so be on guard. Explore this wonderful Pokemon world. Stargazing for some constellations. Fishing for some new relations. Hope these channels meet expectations while we're just channel surfing.
It'd be funny. Who wanna go first? Who wanna go first?
You going first?
No, it should. Yeah, it should start like that. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I forget, man.
So you go first.
Let's go. Oh shit.
You gonna have to pick up a card if you don't have it.
No. Don't worry. Don't worry about me.
Oh, he got it.
Okay.
She's kidding you,
Okay. No, it's revealed. You don't know how to play this?
Of course I know.
Excuse
It's
me.
the one with the little. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Pick up.
Changing the color and shit.
Wait, mistake.
No,
Two
mistake.
times.
You gotta pick
Two
up
times.
two.
Two times. Pick up.
What?
Pick up.
You
Yes.
made me add a plus two.
No. Pick
No.
up. You gotta don't do like that. You gotta pick up. Go ahead.
Nah, what?
Color.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Blue.
Blue.
Bombaclad.
Isn't
Wait,
it
you
my
just
turn?
looking my
See,
cut
man,
up,
you
bro.
and that.
It's my turn, right?
Yeah.
Man, do and
He said
that.
blue.
You know.
It's my turn, right?
Yeah.
Plus 2.
+2.
Yo, bro, stop fucking playing with me. Stop playing. It's in front of me.
King Uno out.
Oh,
Nah, that's my last card, so I gotta say Uno.
Go ahead. Pick
Plus
up.
two.
Pick up.
Hurry up.
Stop cheating. Pick up.
Easy.
Nigga think he's going out. You're not going nowhere, man.
I gotta pick up a
Yes.
phone. Shit, bro. Y'all better
Give
let
him
me
two
win,
more.
bro. Y'all better let me
Which color?
What color?
Red.
Red?
Oh, I'm gonna add you too.
Bro, y'all bugging
I skip
out.
him.
Oh,
Skip me?
hell yeah.
Now,
Pick
wait,
up.
wait, wait.
No.
Nah, you
put
can't
it.
do that.
Yeah.
You can't
But
do
you
that.
can't change it.
Oh, yes.
You put it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta pick up a plus two.
Nah.
No,
I
he
picked
pick
up
up. Bombaclad. Go ahead.
Uno out.
What you mean Uno? Mistake.
I
It's
got
Uno.
one.
It's now Uno out.
I said-
Uno. No, you gotta pick up. It's a mistake.
yeah,
As far as you made a
Nah,
mistake.
how many? It's one.
Yeah,
No, it's
you gotta say,
two.
but
Okay,
you
one.
dropped the
Two.
last one, that's
What are you
when
talking about? It's
Uno
two,
out.
man.
Yeah,
What do you mean
when
Uno
drop
out?
your last one, Pookie.
Nigga, you gonna lose. Go ahead.
Whose turn? My turn?
Yeah.
Yo, Casty, they let him suffer, bro.
Oh, cause like, it was
can't
supposed to
tell.
go like that.
Because you reversed it.
You reverse it.
forgot?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, go ahead. It's your turn.
Pick a play.
Yes. Now, I don't know. This shit might be crazy. If they skip you, play.
Yeah, she skipped me. I don't know.
Pick a play.
Alright, play. You dating for
Mistake.
that. That was good. No.
No.
Wait, mistake.
color is
Mistake.
yellow.
Mistake.
The
No,
color is
mistake.
yellow.
Mistake.
The
Two.
color is yellow.
Two.
The color is yellow.
Thank you.
Nah,
Thank you.
It's supposed to be there.
Thank you.
Color is yellow.
No.
It's
No.
supposed to be there.
No, because
the
you
color
gotta
is
keep it
yellow.
and you pick two. Hell no.
I check the color for my
No,
mistake.
no.
You can't do that.
No. Yeah, it's my turn.
Yeah.
Uno.
Oh,
Yes,
y'all gotta
Uno.
have Casty go. Go ahead.
Yo, I'm going.
No, it's him. You reverse it.
Oh my god.
Go ahead. It's your turn. Oh, pick up again. You put two.
Two blues.
No, there's not a two.
No,
No. There's not the same number. If the same number, you gotta pick again, bro. Two. Again. You gotta pick again.
Nah, this shit, bro.
Alright.
Don't be
I gotta
mad.
pick up again.
It's my turn.
This shit.
Alright, Uno.
What color? What color?
Hmm?
What color?
Green.
My God. You're not serious.
Yo,
Pick up four.
That's what we doing.
You gotta pick up four.
pick up two. Pasty.
Nigga, 4.
Four. Four, bro.
No cheating.
What color?
Yellow.
She said yellow.
said yellow.
I'm going.
Shorty.
No,
You're not going,
picked up
you
yellow,
already
you
picked
can't
up.
go.
Charlie.
Go ahead. No way. You gotta mix up your price.
Nah,
Wait,
yeah.
why you quick?
Stop, friend.
All right, go ahead.
Go ahead. Cheating? Pick up. What color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, blue.
Yo, how can Casty host and win? No, Casty can host and win, bro.
That ass?
Casty can host and win. You can host and win.
Of course I have to.
You can host.
Bomba clan.
Why did I give up?
2, 3, 4. Oh, okay.
I ain't saying
That's what we
nothing.
doing.
Alright, go ahead.
What color?
Yellow.
She looking at my
I
card.
that didn't look at your shit though. I that
So how you gonna have?
look at her shit though.
What color?
What color?
Green.
Yo, anybody trying to win a prize?
Let's give it. Let's
Go
go.
ahead.
The next game.
Reverse it to you. Play.
Play.
Okay.
You got it. You're not going.
Pick up two. Pick up two. You didn't say uno.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
You gotta pick up. Play.
My turn.
Wait, it's my turn, right?
No, you already.
I play.
Ain't nobody about to cry.
Play.
Alright, go ahead.
This is
But that.
Pick up +2. You gotta take this shit out. What color?
green.
Uno.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Got that?
You ain't got shit.
I'm winning this.
No, he not.
You ain't got shit, bro.
You thought? You thought?
Play. Oh shit.
Pick up two.
Pick up 2.
Mistake.
Mistake. Go ahead.
Oh no.
Wow, shit. Yo, you better put plus. She not supposed
She
to.
said-
Oh yes.
Nah, you're
got it.
bugging.
No, you gotta pick two.
No. It's the same color.
Pick up
It
play.
came back
What you
to
mean?
me.
What do you mean?
Came
I got
back
two.
to
I
me.
got
No,
two
it
cards. What
came
are you
back.
talking
It
about?
came
Yeah,
back.
right?
Pick and play. You
Yeah.
gotta say pick up play.
No,
It's my turn,
no.
'cause
You don't gotta do all of
Nah,
that.
you don't have to do all
No,
of
he
this shit,
reversed
bro.
it to back to me, so I put down 8, and I
Play,
said
play,
uno.
play, play.
I got
Tell
back
me,
to
bro. You gotta say
now.
pick up play, bro.
They skip you. No, he skip you.
No, she skipped
She
you.
skipped
You
you.
reversed it. You forgot. You
no.
reversed.
Oh, I
What if you don't got that color? What was you gonna do?
Pick up.
Damn, bro.
No,
I just need play.
Why didn't you see that?
Skip me.
There's no see. I mean, we church on.
Uno out.
Church on would say,
Me and her.
Y'all already know.
It's a 7 final. Yeah.
Ancient puzzle, it's a bit hard. It's spooky here, so be on guard. Explore this wonderful Pokemon world. Stargazing for some constellations, fishing for some new relations. Hope these channels meet expectations.
wanna go first? You wanna go first? Oh, okay. Reverse again. Play. 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 You skip me. Play. I'm scared, bro. Alright. Why are you cheating?
I'm not cheating. I ain't even look at it. Just picked it up.
Okay. You skip me. I skip you.
Cast the issue.
How I'm cheating?
Go ahead.
How?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
She didn't let me
What color?
check up on my little bro.
What color?
Green.
Hey, can you pick a different color?
Green. Green.
Cast.
Green.
Yeah, you about
Why
to
you cheating?
cheating.
Oh, she got rid of
Oh. Yo!
My son not giving you a chance.
It's good.
Look at my cards, bro. because-
Charlie, Rod.
Gang.
Rama.
Oh my god, this is annoying, bro. Go ahead.
Bro.
Like this. Wait, no.
What's the main bedroom?
Are you looking at my card? Wait. Play.
Buddy. What's your name? Get it. I swear to God, boy.
Play. Play. Reverse, okay? She almost there, bro.
No way. No.
Yeah, I got plus 2. Yeah, you just gotta pick up 6.
Dang. 2 more.
I'm playing. Oh, okay. Go ahead.
You put that too?
What color?
Green.
Green? You sure? Uno out. Come here.
You better not play with me. I'm not playing with you.
Bro, you can win, bro.
I know I
So,
could.
nah.
I know you're not talking to him. I know you're not talking to him.
Yo, I don't even be playing this shit, bro. What are you talking about? Alright, I'm gonna go first. Oh, you win, so you gotta go first. Bomba clot. Alright, go ahead.
Where's the handicap?
Okay. Dun.
Go dance, man. Go there dancing.
Excuse you? No, he's supposed to put her phone first.
No, it's 2. It's 2.
No, you put the
No,
blue
no.
color first. That's why I fixed it for you.
No. I said, huh?
I fixed it for you.
Like this.
Okay.
No, it was like this. It's like this. Oh, he's so much color. Really?
Yeah, pick up 2, nigga. Oh! No way he just did that.
Yeah, put the volume down, bro.
What color?
Now we not.
Yo,
Look how much cards I got.
Blue. What color?
Green.
Reverse. Play.
I'm 5'6", what? I'm 5'6". I feel probably like 5'7".
Nah, you're not 5'8", 5'9".
Oh, hell,
I'm 5'8".
Rose is 5'7".
Me 5'8", the chica here, nah.
You 5'8".
You're not 5'8".
bugging. You're not 5'8". I'm not even 5'8". 30 minutes.
What color?
From Ghana, how many minutes?
Well, what?
Blue.
I know
Russell,
you
wait.
fucking lying.
Blue. Uno.
Yeah, why did you do that?
Oh shit. Uno.
Fuck.
Yo, why you sweating? Uno.
Playing with me.
Uno.
Damn.
Wait, Uno out. Yo, I said it, bro.
I'm sorry,
How?
but he cheated.
Wait, how? How I
I'm sorry,
cheat?
but he cheated.
How I cheat? I know, like, you guys can win this. You guys cannot.
Y'all seen it, he cheated.
No. Everybody show the game. I win my own prize.
He's
So I'm
mad.
taking- Wait,
He's
listen,
mad.
guys. I'm taking my own $500.
No, he's
That
mad
ass.
because we're Ghanaians.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe. You feel me? Thank you so much.
Share.
Comment if y'all want to see more funny video like this. Okay? Subscribe.
No negative comment.